Supermodel Gisele Bndchen recently revealed her highly anticipated cookbook, Nourish, on Instagram. The book not only features her family's healthy recipes but also delves into her wellness routines and self-care rituals. Following her highly publicized divorce from NFL star Tom Brady almost a year ago, Bndchen is aiming to share her secrets to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. In her Instagram post, the Brazilian beauty discussed her passion for nourishing her body with wholesome foods and the importance of self-care. Bndchen's new cookbook, Nourish, provides readers with an inside look into her family's culinary traditions and offers a range of nutritious recipes. The book is set to become a must-have guide for those looking to achieve overall well-being through dietary choices. Bndchen, being a well-known advocate for healthy living, has always emphasized the importance of maintaining a balanced diet. Her cookbook takes readers on a journey through her kitchen, sharing her favorite meals and snacks that support vitality and longevity. With a focus on organic ingredients and nutrient-dense recipes, Bndchen hopes to inspire others to adopt a healthier lifestyle. Beyond the culinary aspect, Nourish also explores Bndchen's self-care rituals. In a world that often neglects mental and emotional well-being, the supermodel offers a refreshing take on holistic health. Through various techniques such as meditation, exercise, and skincare routines, Bndchen aims to guide her readers towards achieving inner balance and self-empowerment. Since her divorce from Brady, Bndchen has been open about her personal journey towards self-discovery and self-care. Through her cookbook and social media posts, she hopes to encourage others to prioritize their well-being while navigating life's challenges. The supermodel's commitment to promoting a holistic approach to health sets her apart as a role model in the industry. As news of Bndchen's cookbook spreads, fans and health enthusiasts alike are eagerly anticipating the release. With her comprehensive knowledge of nutrition and wellness, Gisele Bndchen continues to inspire and empower individuals to make healthier choices for their bodies and minds. Nourish is set to be a valuable resource for anyone seeking to improve their well-being and embrace the power of self-care.